Using the adjustment pattern setting in your Canon IPF plugin gives you the option to view the same image with many different settings, allowing you to choose the one that works best for your application. In the plugin, make sure you're on the Color Settings tab, and then click the Adjustment Pattern Settings button. In the pop-up window, choose your roll size, then choose your adjustment item. In this example, we'll choose brightness. Next, choose the number of patterns you want to print and the space between each pattern. If you want to brighten your image, you can select one of the displayed images to be the center point of your patterns. Next, click the Print Adjustment Pattern button. With the completed print, you can then choose which brightness setting is appropriate for the image. Then input that number into the brightness value setting next to the brightness slider on the Color Settings tab. Remember that the IPF plugin is sticky, so it will remember any changes you've made to the Color Settings tab for the next print. If you have any more questions on how to use your Canon IPF plugin, refer to the additional tutorials at lexjet.com or contact your sales representative.